Breathalyzer Equalizer.
The Breathalyzer Equalizer.
Breathalyzer Equalizer.
The Breathalyzer Equalizer.
The Breathalyzer Equalizer claimed that it can help prevent sober drivers from being handcuffed because of false readings on roadside breathalyzer tests.
The only purpose here is to improve accuracy in roadside breath testing.
Former Georgia State Patrol Sergeant Ron Lloyd created Breathalyzer Equalizer with Dr. McCoy Moretz and DUI attorney Preston Halliburton. It's a powder made of carbon-based minerals that they say can help drivers avoid wrongful DUI arrests.
They absorb the alcohol, that's the molecule that's in the mouth around the dentition, around partials, around just teeth and gums.
Defense Attorney Joey Jackson is on the case. And Joey, so I actually was not familiar with residual mouth alcohol until today. So explain to me how this really works. You take this powder, let's say you haven't had enough drinks to be drunk, but it still leaves something, so you could fail a test. Is that correct?
It could. So this is how it works, according to what I've learned as a former prosecutor and now doing this from a defense perspective. What happens is you want a reliable and accurate reading, and there are these machines which detect the presence of alcohol in your blood. It's a blood to alcohol content, and they measure it by when you blow into a tube. So the issue is you want an accurate reading, and oftentimes that reading is contaminated or could be by what's called residual mouth alcohol. And what that is, Brooke, is it's alcohol which gets confined to secreted in the oral cavity, and it could come from a number of things. That's why officers are trained to observe you for a period of time, often 15, 20 minutes, so that if you belch, right, it comes up from the stomach, it can leave a contaminant in your mouth. If you, for example, vomit, that regurgitation causes it, you can get it from Banaka Blast or some of those other things. Yeah. And so what this project is designed to do is to eliminate that residual alcohol and just get an accurate reading from what you're blowing from your stomach, right, deep air, into the tube.
All right, so what we're going to do a test here. And Ron, you're going to give me the breathalyzer to show that I haven't been drinking at all today and that I'm going to read zero. So we're going to do this test, and I'm going to simply blow into the breathalyzer here.
When you hear it click, that's good.
All right. And now what I'm going to do, and what does it say? It's going to say 000. So this is a simple breath mist, right? That you can get at the store, get at the gas station.
Yes, sir.
And now?
Hold on one second. Wait up, wait. All right. Okay.
All right, and we're going to do a reading, and this is simply taking one of the Listerine packs or one of the breath mint sprays. And what does it say?
It's still analyzing.
It's still analyzing right now. And this is something a lot of people have in their car.
0.088 right there.
0.088, which is above the legal limit. What we're going to do now is we're going to take the Breathalyzer Equalizer, and Justin, I'm going to have you in because we're going to take this powder, and you're going to let it sit there in the mouth for about a minute or so.
Yeah.
And while I'm doing that, Justin, I know you're going to swig some of the mouthwash.
Just say your breath smells excellent.
All right, we're going to run a secondary test on you here.
Okay.
Give me just a second for it to. Okay.
All right, here we go.
Okay.
All right, so I had a 0.088.
Yes, sir. Over the legal limit.
Over the legal limit. I would have been locked up, taken to jail, and considered drunk, even though I haven't had a drink of alcohol.
Well, that would have been the officer's decision.
The officer's decision.
But now your next reading was a 0.013, almost a trace amount.
Just a trace amount. That breathalyzer equalizer was able to do that. And if we